When we came to the third millennium, our Chin people migrated to the USA. However, most of our people went to the mainland USA after 2008 through Malaysia. They are resettled in the USA from Malaysia. So we have been in the USA for 15 years until March 2023. Our children very quickly pick up and speak English. They live and grow in the multicultural port. So we have to think about how they can understand our culture and history and church history. Today, I want to talk about the Chin church history in the past. I take this information from my dissertation, doctorate dissertation written in May 1997. It was written 26 years ago, but the church mission history is correct, taken from natural resources of the Zomi Baptist Convention. And in the first record, I already talked about Chin for Christ in 1 century, called CCOC. And we are very proud of this mission, but our kids, our children, and grandchildren will not know about it. That is why I like to make a record regarding our Chin Baptist mission work in Chin State. And really, this is about the Zomi Baptist Convention, now Chin Baptist Convention. And so what I like to talk is building the Baptist churches and associations in the mission field. First, we sent missionaries, over 100 local missionaries to Southern Chin State, Tuah, Kamplet, and Minda Township, and also in Gango Township in Bakway Division. So we sent more than 100 missionaries every year, and they work among our fellow Chins. And so the mission was great. So they were very successful. And after they have new converts, new souls, thousands of new souls, they have to start building the church, the Chin Baptist churches and association mission field. In the year 1992 to 1993, more than 2,500 people embraced Christianity. The Zomi Baptist Convention also gave scholarship to 50 students from Balewa, Mindat, and Kamplet field for their schooling in high school, Bible school, and theological seminary to prepare future leaders for their community and churches. This is very good strategies of Zomi Baptist Convention. They prepare Christian leaders from mission field and thinking that their people, their own people will preach the gospel to their families and churches and members. This is very good strategies. In the past 10 years, the Zomi Baptist Convention trained many Chin Christians living in the northern part of Chin State and sent them to the Chins in the south. In 1993, the situation of the country changed. Sending missionaries from the north to the south was not possible because of political restriction. The indigenous people did not accept Christian missionaries. Getting permission to build churches was difficult. Therefore, the Zomi Baptist Convention changed the old strategies and began a new strategy for evangelism. In the year 1993, Zomi Baptist Convention 1053 new evangelists in Palewa Township and another 115 at Mindat for work in Mindat and Kanpalet Township in the southern Chin State. ZBC sent these new evangelists to evangelize their own people and raise more than 3 million just to support them. In 1993, the Zomi Baptist Convention also opened 2 new mission fields, such as Sakai Mission Field in Arakan Strait and the Jaw Mission Field in Makwe Division under evangelistic program of Chin for Christ in 1 century. 12 missionaries were sent to work in the Rakhine Strait, and 5 were sent to work among the Chins in the Jaw area. That is Barmen area. Some rural Baptist churches and Baptist associations in the north also sent their own missionaries. Those were not financially supported instead by the Zomi Baptist Convention, but by their own churches and associations, which also were involved in support of the evangelistic program of CCOC, Chin for Christ in 1 century, and the mission fields under the leadership of Zomi Baptist Convention. In 1995, the Zomi Baptist Convention extended the evangelistic program of the CCOC to more fields. In the year, the ZBC worked in 7 missionary fields: Mindat, Kanpalet, Paletua, Kaingo, Yo, Tilin, Pakuku, and Omega Mission Field, Cabo Valley. The total new converts in 1995 was only 337, a smaller number than in the previous years. The evangelistic has been active that years in constructing new church buildings and energizing the new church to be more mature. In addition to its own mission field, the Zomi Baptist Convention has 2 other joint mission fields in An Township, Arakan Strait, and Chinduan Valley, Sakai Division, working with other Baptist Convention and the Myanmar Baptist Convention. Zomi Baptist Convention also opened a new mission field in Errawaddy Division, the Barmen Plain area, in May 1996. 7 evangelists are working among the Suchins who are Buddhists. From 1990 to 1995, the Zomi Baptist Convention spent $297,000 for the Chin for Christ in 1 century program. Since the beginning of the CCOC in 1983, the evangelists of Chin Baptist Convention have converted 650 Buddhists to Jesus Christ. And I will continue how the Holy Spirit work among the evangelists and the people in our mission fields. And now I will stop for this subtopic.